I'm about to show you how to make the most irresistible Nigerian dessert pastry, puff puff. These golden, fluffy balls of fried dough are a staple at parties, markets, and pretty much anywhere people gather to have a good time. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started with this delicious West African treat. Once you've mastered these, you'll be the hit of every potluck. First things first, let's talk hardware. You'll need a large mixing bowl. Nothing fancy, just something that can handle our dough without making a mess. A wooden spoon or spatula for mixing, and a tiny whisk if you're feeling fancy. For frying, grab a deep, heavy-bottomed pot. Cast iron works great if you've got it. And don't forget a slotted spoon or spider for fishing out our puff puffs once they're golden and crispy. Now, for the star players, our ingredients. We're keeping it simple here. You'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, white granulated works best, active dry yeast, kosher salt, nutmeg for that classic Nigerian flavor, and lukewarm water. Oh, and of course, vegetable oil for frying. Alright, let's do this. In your clean bowl, combine the flour, sugar, yeast, salt, and that pinch of freshly grated nutmeg. Give it a quick whisk to distribute everything evenly. Now, make a well in the center and pour in your lukewarm water. Start mixing with your wooden spoon, gradually incorporating the dry ingredients into the water. Here's where the magic happens. Keep mixing until you've got a smooth, sticky batter. It should be thick enough to coat the back of your spoon, but still pourable. Now cover your bowl with a damp cloth and let it rest in a warm spot for about an hour. This is when the yeast does its thing, making our batter nice and fluffy. After an hour, your batter should be bubbly and have a slightly fermented smell. That's exactly what we want. Now, let's fry these bad boys up. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in your heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, no sweat. Drop a small amount of batter into the oil. If it sizzles and rises to the surface immediately, you're good to go. Using your hand or a spoon, I prefer using my hand for better control. Scoop up some batter and carefully drop it into the hot oil. Work in batches to avoid overcrowding. Fry for about 3-4 minutes, turning occasionally until they're golden brown all over. Fish them out with your slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Serve them hot, maybe with a dusting of powdered sugar if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it, authentic Nigerian puff puff that would satisfy any sweet tooth. And there you have it, folks. Nigerian puff puff that's crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and absolutely irresistible. Whether you're serving these at a party, or just treating yourself on a lazy Sunday, these little balls of joy are sure to be a hit. As always, let me know in the comments if you give these a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, this is your favorite culinary adventurer, wishing you all happy cooking and even happier eating. Jun!